The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday. Yeah, Friday. That's the day. Hope everyone had a great night. Ready for a great day. Non-farm payrolls day. Market's been very slow overnight. Matter of fact, my bot entered a trade on ES. This is the trade. It entered on the second candle, and it's still in it now. You can see this is the actual trade. I'm not gonna keep this from getting in the way, but it actually is now green on the day, finally. But it never got the stop out. It never got the target. Target's up around 40.86. So we'll keep an eye on that. Let's look at the overnight. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, G-Man. Glad to see you. Let's see, I am broadcasting, right? Yeah, okay, mic's working. Yay. You can see not much range at all here. This is NQ on the hourly chart. Down to a low of 11,998 last night, up to 12,061. So only about 70 points in range. Very tight range. Excuse me a minute here. Lost internet overnight, so now it's time for me to log in on every screen. Because Comcast sucks. There we go. Copper. Still continuing to rise up. About 120 ticks. Gold. Get out of here. Gold, more of a tighter range. Rose up big yesterday. Got back above 1800. Pulled back a little bit here. That's 7 points in range. And Ultra Bond, you see, had a wonderful day yesterday. Look at that move yesterday on the Ultra Bond, getting up to above not only 140 but 141, which is where we're hanging around now. And about a little over a point of range there. And one more. Doop, doop. Crude also hanging around 81. Dipped down to about 80.38. So about 1.3 points of range. And last but not least, natural gas had a big dip yesterday and it continued into the overnight. Try to pop up now. You can see that huge dip yesterday. Today we have about a little over 200 ticks in range. That's where the markets sit. Bitcoin slightly above 17,000. And NASDAQ is taking off. ES is taking off. Morning, Walter. How are you doing today? So remember, we have non-farm payroll report coming up. That's the big one today. Give me 1 second. I'll check see if we have any other news besides that. Looks like all payroll information. And then at 9:15 we have a Fed speaker. And at 10:15 we have a Fed speaker. Did I just get logged out again? What the heck? There we go. So we'll try and get some good action here. That didn't sound right, but you know what I mean. This would have been an excellent trigger candle from about 25 minutes ago. You can see, nice move here. Oh, that's right. I need to update the P&L. I did take a trade last night that I lost. Ah, I'm logged out of Tradovate too. Darn it. Give me 1 second while I get logged into Tradovate. Didn't even think to check that. Okay, there we go. Now we're logged in. I am down 116 on the day. I'm doing good, Walter. Thank you. So get that updated, and then we're ready to rock and roll. Okay. He has pulled back just a tad. Back. Sorry about that. Watching ES pull back here just a tad. After that nice move up. See, ES in this kind of tight range overnight. Had a choppy move up, then a choppy move down. Now trying up again. Not much to talk about so far. Watching to see if this pulls back. Let's see if anything else is doing anything important or fun. Gold, that's a nice move up. Crude with a nice nothing. It's sideways. Little move up earlier. Nasdaq on the 5 minutes and a nice little trigger there. Give me a second here. Morning, Robin. How you doing? Little pull back here. Non-farm payrolls will get the market moving some. Right now, it's not really doing much. Took an ES at a 5. Got a much later entry there. It's been a minefield of news this week that we've navigated through. I think next week there's much less. Well, Monday has a bunch of news as well. Week from today is PPI. And the following week, on the 13th, is CPI, and on the 14th is FOMC. Should be exciting days there. How's everybody's weeks looking? Most people green for the week? And we're just kind of sitting here around 40.80. Glad to hear that, Walter and Robin. Slow morning so far. Not, but we're only 13 minutes in. Uh, it is a trigger candle. It's hanging right on that RSI Bollinger, so I'm a little hesitant here. You can see it bouncing back up there. It was actually below that RSI. And obviously it's not moving very fast. It's just top here to there. It's about 2.5 points. Right back up the green. That's oops, another one. Agriculture overnight is quite flat, it looks like, with a down move. Corn grinding down. Soybean sideways. Okay, so we're watching this for a down, up, down move. Oh, I know, I'm forgetting. I don't have my music on, my binaural beats. Kind of sideways. Get excited, people. Get excited. We are moving at about 2 ticks. Uh, ooh, there's a little pop. I have it up on a chart here somewhere. You have the euro here. This is the regular size contract, not the micro. G-man. I don't, I haven't trade, I mean, I've taken a trade on it here and there, but probably haven't taken one in months. This is the 5-minute chart of the euro. 6E. Micros would be the same chart. You can see if you're looking here, you know, it sent a trigger candle back here, which is a little bit after this one. The ES sent a trigger. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people like the euro. I haven't really checked it out. Maybe I'll do some charting of it over the weekend. It's like some decently smooth moves over the weekend. It did pop up. Now looks like it wants to pop up, pop down here. G-Man, are you looking to add to ES or are you looking to change from ES? You seem to do very well with ES, so I'm kind of surprised you're looking at another asset. Because, yeah, I was going to say, as active as you are with scalping ES, I can't imagine it would have the ability to scalp 2 at a time. Okay, that makes sense. Taking a short here. Probably a mistake, but I'm taking a short. We were stopped to the top of those 2 candles where that. Yeah, I was gonna say, as active as you are, I couldn't imagine trying to do 2. Should have entered off of that first red candle there. So, yeah, we'll see what happens. Hopefully, it continues down. Morning, Chris. How you doing today? popping back up on me. A little bit, not a lot. I mean, there's some. I mean, we're in a very tight range. Why does that keep happening? Uh, ah, now it just logged me out of Tradovate again. Give me a second. Uh, very tight range here. You can see we dipped a little bit at the very beginning, and then back up. Okay, so having to manage this trade right now on Trading View as I try to get logged back into Tradovate. Always fun. Hanging right on the EMA. Yeah, my bot is in the same trade it was in. It's been in it since 2 minutes after the evening open, looking for 7 points on ES. So why did everything just disappear from my screen? I logged me out of Tradovate again. Come on. I'm down 5 ticks. Okay, now let's log out of paper trading and log into Tradovate. There we go. Back down to only being down 2 ticks. Yay. Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying hearing me grex about Tradovate and the rest of the stream, appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. We are about 37 minutes away from non-farm payrolls, 6 minutes away from the top of the hour. Morning, Deb. How's it going? I'm glad to hear that. And we're just hanging at this 40.79 to 40.80 level. And Q looking ugly as well. Kappa. Up, then down. Back to break even right now on my ES trade here. Yep. See what the market does on that NFP. Should be interesting. Market's obviously been very, slow as it's waiting for it. Down 5 ticks now as it tries to pop up here. So watching this trade down 5 ticks, 6 ticks now. See if it bounces back down. Lulling us to sleep here, slowly grinding back up. But we shall see what we shall see. Yeah, I think you're right, Robin. I'm just not good at that. So we're down a full point now. Oh no, full 2 points. I'm sorry. Stop is 2 ticks away. Could have reversed there, but didn't. Should have, I guess. So since this stops us out, we down nearly $300 on the day. Wow. Well, there's a top of the hour. We popped down by 3 ticks. Be nice if that continues. Come on, let's give that push down. Everybody go in and sell 100 ES contracts. There we go. Well, thank you for everyone that did that. No, I'm kidding. Anyway, trying to get back down to my entry point at least. Oh, it was. Rubbed my eye for 1 second and it was back up. I don't think rubbing my eye though had anything to do with it. Oh yeah. Scratching my back a minute. Glad you. I'm sure you're all glad that I passed along that information. Come on, push it down, push it down. I'll be home for Christmas. It keeps teasing me. I don't like being teased. I've thought of that, Robin. Fortunately, there's not a lot of royalty-free Christmas music out there that's quality. Hey, JT. Good morning, Matt. And if I try playing regular Christmas music, then I'll get a copyright strike. I'll take a look at it over the weekend, try and see if I can find anything. This is gonna stop me out. There we go. Nice $125 stop. Down 246 on the day. See how high we can get that number. Non-farm payrolls, 25 minutes away. I personally have a almost 500 song um, Christmas music playlist. And no single song is repeated. Like, meaning like, Elvis obviously is the best Blue Christmas, at least in my opinion. So there's no other Blue Christmas. There's only one instance of every song. It's like every genre, rock, country, etc. Oldies, pop, Beach Boys to Taylor Swift to the Oak Ridge Boys. So there's the rise up. Yeah, little boost there. Enough to knock me out of the trade and continue to go. So, I mean, obviously I didn't know to get in or out there. It was choppy up and down. I stayed in that trade. Obviously, if I had gone long, I would have got my 2 points, as we are just riding up here. Usually around Thanksgiving, Walter. It's an 18-hour playlist, so, if I didn't start it, I started building that when I got tired of hearing the same, like, 20 songs on the radio. Overnight high is here, 40.84 and a half. Trying to get up to that. There's 40.84. Got up to 40.84 and a half, pulled back. And Q bopped up to 12.067. So looking at that now, obviously I was in that trade, but how could I have seen that maybe it was ready to move because it actually did get away from the EMA, got up to here, then down, and then back up. So here I was hanging on the EMA, it separated down, separated back up. That would have been a decent indicator that we might be getting a decent move. That'd be our high there. Is a bearish engulfing. Let's see if it continues to come down. Allergies are acting up today. I guess I'm going to take an allergy pill. Minder on Monday. We have 2 streams, morning and evening. Normal morning stream, 7:30 Eastern. Then evening, we do Asia, 7:45 p.m. Eastern till 10:30 Eastern. About 16 minutes till non-farm payrolls. But anyway, to wrap it up, there we go. So price action is slow and choppy right now. This is my Christmas playlist. You can see. Wait. They took some away from me. I gotta go in and fix that. I was wrong. 450, not 500. And back down. So do I want to try another short? Do I? Do I? Do I? And we'll just stay flat till non-farm payrolls, I guess. So obviously this one would have worked for a trigger. This one did not. Where do I actually enter? I entered there. Give that blue. Oh, I have a blue trigger. Mark this one. This looks like it's working. Figures. Yep, we're dropping now. I should have taken the short. Yep, that would already be at profit target. Well, gosh darn. Wow, look at that. Nice. Wow, big drop. So it got up to. It basically double topped. 40, yeah, perfect double top. double top, but back here and down. So I should have played that short once it gave me that first bearish engulfing right here. It was a double top. Bit of a bounce there after that biggest candle we've seen in uh, since over a little over an hour. See, gold also kind of got up there and up to 18.15 and back down. Crude oil's not looking that wonderful. Ultra bonds all cheppy. Its market opens in 3 minutes. Hey, no JC today. You catch that move, Robin? Good morning, Dakota. Hmm. Excellent. Excellent. So, close that. Boom, boom, boom. So bounce back up after that impulse move. Nice move down there. And an excellent bounce here. Treasuries market opens here in a minute. Actually, 30 seconds. Yep. Treasury's market isn't rocking our socks, that's for sure. Its opens not moving. Of course, this is probably because of non-farm payrolls pending in 10 minutes. Very nice bounce here. Got down to 40.76.25 on ES. Bounced back up to 40.79.50. So 3-point bounce. Lilu Trading. 25K account. Only $13. Oh wait, that price is valid for traders with an active account? Practice account or performance account. Never mind. That's stupid. Yeah, it's the first month only. Got up to the EMA here on ES and then bounced back down by over a point here, by a point and a half so far. Nice bounce. Very nice bounce. So we've seen two sell-offs here. I mean, the big one here, and now next the smaller one, leading into non-farm payrolls. I wonder if down's the direction. I mean, I've been expecting down since Powell the other day, but can't be sure. Morning, Jay. So about 5 minutes. 5 minutes to the big event. You see Bitcoin falling. Doge is falling. And we continue the fall. Theoretically, I could have did a trigger off of that candle as well. I'm just going to stay flat through non-farm payrolls and then hopefully find some good trades to get back to green. Welcome, everybody. See, we have like 25 people here. Appreciate that. Hope you're having a good morning. Stick with me through the rest of the stream if you can. And if you're enjoying what you're seeing, hit that like button for me, please. If you're new, welcome. Feel free to say hello in the chat. Questions and comments always welcome. We stream every morning, 7:30 Eastern Time. It's about 11 Eastern Time, 3.5 hours. Continue to grind down here as we lead into the non-farm payroll report. We'll see what the algos do to the price action when that report hits. Now, this is the only major, the only news of the day, but at 9:15 you have a Fed speaker, and at 10:15 you have a Fed speaker, so be mindful of that as well. I don't have any that are running on. I have the Sims running, but nothing on an account that matters. I don't have them running on my Earn to Trade or my Tick. We are 1 minute away, less than a minute away. Right now, all the test algos, almost all the all but one is currently in a trade. So most likely, whatever happens on the non-farm payroll candle will complete all those trades. I have about 12 tests running. Here's a Q and ES, gold and crude. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom! Wow! There was no wick on that. Down 25 points on ES. We are down 150 points on the NASDAQ. 160, 70. Wow. 50 points on ES. 40 now. A little bit of a pullback. 175, 195, 200. I think we might have approached 200 there. Nope. 197 most on NQ. A little bit of a bounce. Wow. What did that report say? Non-farm payrolls actual 263K. Forecast was 200K. So I think that means the labor market is doing very well. Down 52 points here in ES. We're down 215 now in NQ. Gold down 12.7. Crude oil even getting into the fun here, down 62 ticks. Ultra Bond down well over a point, 42 ticks. Seeing a bit of a bounce there, as we could expect from that, but so pulling up a little bit, but wowzers. 59 point 1 minute candle there on ES. Now, see, that would have been a perfect trade for me to use my old news strat on, because it did not even have a wick. I don't think. I don't think it. Yeah, there was absolutely no wick on it. This went straight down. So if I had set it for like 5 points away, it would have caught like 55 points. Still heading down. NQ down 270 points. Non-farm payrolls usually has a huge reaction, but this is more of a CPI than an NFP reaction. You don't usually see 300 points on NQ on it. Good morning, George. No idea what that white line's doing there, so go away. There we go. Gold's still coming down. Everything coming down. We're free falling. Look at copper. Copper came down almost $1,500. Dow dropped 300 points. Natural gas dropping, but not really out of the ordinary there. Quite the move. Awesome, Robin. Wish I had. See it? I mean, that's just a beautiful move. You know, no capitulation there. It didn't go up first and then down. So wish. You know, if I just placed an order, a market order, anywhere below it, I could have. I mean, that would have passed this account. Let's see, maybe what's. I need $1,700. Yeah, 30. So I would have needed 34 points, and it went 50. Right there, maybe our bottom though, 4,006. At least the temporary bottom. Wait, what? Since when can't you trade news on a? So Top Step drops its news requirement, its news restrictions, and now Apex adds them. That's ridiculousness. If I ever get rich, I'm gonna start my own prop firm. If I ever get rich, I'll start my own prop firm and only allow people I know to join it. 'Except Justin. Eh, crypto's kind of wow, look at this move. I was just ready to hit the buy and I didn't. 50 Shades of Gray. Gotta love the Bollinger Bands right now. They are over 100 points apart. Unless they install a webcam on your system, there's no way they can know whether you're present at all time. You know, it's interesting. They're making it easier to like afford their program and all that, and but yet they're making the rules harder. Top Step's making the rules easier, but they're more expensive. It's interesting dynamic. Meanwhile, we have nothing going on here because I'm not sure how to trade this after that. Ultra Bond's falling faster than anything else right now. Yeah, I mean, I'm thinking we're gonna bounce, but yet, and you know, we've had a bounce in a way. I mean, we got down to 4,006, bounced up to 4,020. So a 14-point bounce is very good. Now it's pulling back again. Hello, Armando. That's awesome. Welcome to the stream. Good morning, Tiff. Good morning, Linux. Yep. If I ever catch a winner this morning, Santa will pop up and announce the winner and say ho ho ho. Right now, that's not looking like a positive development, but we'll see. So after that 59-point move down, we're kind of sideways. Now we're having a little bit of a pop. No, never mind. Pop going away. By that 1 minute NASDAQ candle ended up being 231 points. It's $4,600 if anyone had taken that whole move down. ES ended up being 59 points, which is 60 points at $50. About a little less than $3,000. That's awesome, Matt. Hey, Ace, welcome. You missed non-farm payrolls. You could have got your 2 points times 30. I know. I'm just joking with you, Ace. We're just sitting here, sitting on hands, waiting for waiting for an opportunity. Gonna, even though there's no winner, I'm gonna run the winner screen for Armando's daughter. Hopefully, we'll see that more today at some point. Amazing how a candle like that makes the rest of the price action for the entire day look so small. Well, hopefully the market gives me a couple winners so it can pop up again. Kind of like a long here, honestly. Bigger are these candles? 2 points each, 2 and 3. Yep, push it back down. Still have these downtrending bands on the RSI, so we gotta wait for those to start pushing upwards. The Bollingers have totally collapsed. Look at that. Looks like it's about ready to chomp down on it. Take a long here. See if I'm stupid. If I'm stupid. Very stupid. It did not give me a trigger, but I thought we were safe. I picked the exact time it decided to pull back. Because that's how good I am with timing. Stopped out. $200 loss there, so we're down 450 on the day. There's my loser screen.
Bah! Humbug!
See if we can blow this account today. And right back up. So bottom ticked me perfectly. Now by one more tick and then went up. So I picked the one red candle out of that. This move up. We'll try again. It was about 5 ticks of profit, pulling back here. That was a trigger candle there. Are you kidding me? There we go, back to break even. There we go, target hit. Now we got something. So he's got 150 of it back. There you go, Armando. There's a winner screen for you. As it burst up there nicely. So I should have waited for my trigger on that first one and I wouldn't have taken the loss. $304. Always got to smack myself, but I don't follow my rules. Trigger candle is here. You can see, needed the 4-point stop there. But actually, I got in early, so I didn't need the 4-point, but even so, this one 3 points. Thank you, Ace. Nice, Chris. And Q sending the trigger there as well. I think we're going to continue up here. Probably could have got, definitely could have got more out, but I was happy to get the win. Trying to keep my loss small. What's Ultra Bond doing? Ultra Bond, beautiful trigger candle there. Up 14, 19 ticks, over 20 ticks since that trigger. That's a smoother move than the indices by far. See what crude and gold are doing. Crude opens in about 5 minutes, its market. I forget when metals markets open. Gold still icky. Crude sending a trigger now. Copper trying to recover. Natural gas continues to move down. Pull back here. Got up to 40.33. Pull back now to 40.27. So pulling back there a little bit. There's actually a trigger candle there, and I didn't really want to trust it, but it was obviously a good candle. Good trigger candle. Good trigger candle. Very good. Would have been another win. I hate it when I don't trust my system. I got myself in trouble here because I didn't wait for the trigger candle. If I waited, obviously it's been a good win. I got the good win. Here's been another one. You know, I could point out to the fact that the trigger candle before this was a down trigger. I got to start paying attention to how often that happens as well. It seems like the market starts moving in the direction that the big move ends up taking. So yeah. It'll bounce back up and then down. Hey Dave, how you doing? Part of it's just that the book gets so thin, Zabak, that it's hard to get in and out. At least if you mean on the move itself. If there's something else going on after, then I don't know. If the person that just joined the Discord is in here on the stream, let me know and I'll manually verify you there. Try not to manually verify anyone I don't know, because the other day I let someone in that became a MightyOx imposter. Hey JC, you missed non-farm payrolls. It's only a 272 point drop on NQ and 60 point drop on ES and so on and so forth. Not much going on otherwise. So. Yes, it was, John. Yes, it was. Good morning. Yeah, the thing that makes me upset about it is it was perfect if I had still been doing my news plays. This would have been perfect. No wick. No, it never went up. I could have caught that whole news play down, without any worry about getting stopped. That's the. Sure, you'll get that next one, Dakota. We are about 25 minutes from the bell. Still grinding back down. Nice job, the VOC. Oh yeah, I mean, I doubt I ever trade news again unless it's an account, um, whatever that I don't really care about. So ES continuing to fall, and now our low here was 4006. I'm interested to see if we continue to fall at the bell. Did try to pop up. I mean, it popped up by 27 points, but now back down. Down, down, down. Let's look at 6E. since he's talking about it. See, 6E also dropped huge on that news. I don't know how much that is, but and it's kind of trying to grind back up. And continuing to push down. Yeah, news plays are fun and the exciting, but honestly, that time that I got caught in that trade that I couldn't get out of, I mean, obviously it it worked in my favor that time, but the fact that I couldn't get out, and I realized that that could happen the opposite way, I decided to pretty much stop. That said, doing it with a micro wouldn't be horrible. I mean, if I had just think of it, if I had done this with one micro, uh, what's 60 times 5? And a $300 trade right there. Oh, excellent, John. Excellent. Good job, Chris. So everything, John, everything's still looking on point for you to be able to retire early next year? Yeah, the book becomes really, really thin, which is why these moves happen. But nice. Just watching here, we are about 20 minutes from the bell. Not a lot going on. I mean, these are decent sized candles, but they're kind of hard to really play. Nice little pop back up there. About 5 or 6 points. It's trying to send a trigger here up. Trying. Keyword. Getting beaten back down. Thank you. Also trying. Good morning, Speed Racer. How are you doing today? I'm back down. Oh, really? That's interesting, the box. Don't know, JC. Just off by 1 day, JC, or it's trying again here. Dip down. Yep. Getting beaten down here. Obviously, the trend is down, so counter trend trades have to be careful. Really, we're sideways. I mean, the trend is down only because of one huge candle. We went up, we gave back, trying to head up again. Any sound? Speed Racer, you can't hear me? I just took an ES buy. You spilled Dr. Pepper in your speaker? There we go. There we go. Another win. Armando, if you're still watching, if your daughter's still watching, here it comes. Here it comes.
Oh, 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 oh.
And now we are down only 209 on the day. Keep working my way back to green, babe. So did it forever not work then, Robin, or were you able to get it fixed after it dried out or anything? Thank you, JC. Fabio Gutierrez, welcome. I just saw you subscribed about an hour ago. Welcome to the stream. That works, Robin. Feel free to say hi in the chat, Fabio, if you're still here. I don't use that strategy anymore anyway. So, but Christopher, welcome. Honestly, I don't think I'll use, even when I was using that strategy, I don't think I would have ever used it on a funded account anyway, just because it can go terribly wrong. I mean, maybe with one micro or something like that. But yeah, definitely trade the funded accounts different than evaluations. See, we popped up to 40.33 here with less than 10 minutes to the bell. We've popped up back up to 40.26. Good morning, Burrow. Non-farm payrolls came with a better number than expected. It's only 60 points on ES and only, 231 on NQ. Just your average move. Yeah, UB is rising faster than the rest. It actually dropped, kind of dropped more than the rest. It continued down, but it's fighting back. Bitcoin is as well. Let's see what happens at the bell. Better? Better what? Yeah, oh, you mean the news report? Yeah, because the non-farm payrolls was higher than expected, so that means the labor market's not cooling as fast, which signals to the market that Powell may not be as dovish on the interest rate hikes. If it looks like the labor market's still going hot, that means that 75 basis points could still be on the table instead of 50, especially if CPI comes in hot. Good morning, Mr. G. So anytime the market thinks that news is going to make Powell not as dovish, it sends the market downward. I am back. Did you miss me? I think I was gone for 92 seconds. Nice job on that option there, G. Well, we're back to two G's now. G-Man and Mr. G. So now this stream moves at 2 G's. So apparently, by the way, guys, Weenie Trades, Greg over Weenie Trades is not streaming to the public at this point anymore. He's doing some private streams on his Discord for the people that pay like $3.99 a month. But no more public streams. But he will be doing a public live interview with Darryl Martin, founder and owner of Apex Trader Funding, December 16th, 11 a.m. Eastern. I'll be heading over there to support Greg on that right after our stream here on that day, 2 weeks from today. Here's the link for Mr. G's YouTube channel, Winning Wall Street's Money. Well, yeah, I mean, Greg used to get a lot more during the meme craze. Yeah, he has 8 times more subscribers than I do, but it just died down after the meme craze, I guess. So we are a minute away from the bell. We'll go to 5-minute charts here and watch what the bell does. Silver bells, silver bells. It's money time in Chicago. Good morning, RJ. Came right in time for me hearing me sing. Perfect timing. Ding 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 ding. NQ up 14, ES up 5, no 4, sorry. Showing some green here. There we go. Getting a little momentum. ES up 6. NQ up 25. Gold's dropping. Ultra Bond still trying, I'm sorry, crude's still trying to grind up. ES up 9. 10. Wow, NQ now up 40. ES up 9. Let's see if we continue to grind up here. You're seeing on the 5-minute there, NQ getting up to its EMA. Same thing on ES. Its nose hit the EMA and bounced down. Pulled back by about half. Just trying to send triggers on the 5. I'm not gonna get into anything here. But now back up to 43 points on NQ, ES 9 3/4. Just a platform on Harry Potter where they get onto the Hogwarts Express. Gold of the trigger down there on the 1. NQ now up 47 points. Still 2.5 minutes on this 5-minute candle. ES up 13. Sorry. Hesitating for a bit here. Just about 50 points now on NQ. There's 50 or 60. 63. So it hesitated for a second, but now bursting up. ES up 16. NQ now up 65. Awesome, John. Congratulations. So happy to hear that, man. Pulling back just a tad here. $60 points. NQ. We have 45 seconds left on this opening 5-minute candle. So since the bottom there on NQ after non-farm payrolls, we had 740. We've come back up by over 150 points. Okay, so our 5-minute candles finished 56 points on NQ, finished 14 and 3/4 on ES. Let's see. Let's go back to our 1-minute. Let's see what we can see. Wow, look at that. That's just since that trigger candle that I got all of 2 points off of, it's gone up 24 points. Maybe found a top here-ish. We'll see. Or maybe it's just a pullback. Pull back, Jack, do it again. Pushing back up. Nope, that was not the top, obviously. So here's the big candle. We've crawled about halfway back up.
pulling back a bit here. It's not really requiring, not really moving fast right now. Back to green.
Yep, there's the pullback. So the high there got to 40.47 and 3/4. It's already pulled back by 6 points there.
Yep, nice pullback. Almost 10-point pullback. Strong move down. Oh wait, we have a no Fed speaker coming up at 9:15, I believe. Yeah, 9:15 we have a Fed speaker, so be aware of that.
I'm sorry, 10:15 we have a Fed speaker. We had one at 9:15. Apparently he didn't say much. Sorry. Got my times mixed up there between Central and Eastern. But yeah, 10:15, another Fed speaker. Evan speaks. Down to 40.39. Let's see. Anything else? Do anything find gold up and down, pushing down, back under 1800 on gold. Crude pushing up, but hit a top there of 82.12. Is pulled back by 40 ticks. Ultra bond hanging above its EMA on the 5. Natural gas is leveled out after a pretty big fall there.
There's a trigger candle on ES. It's very jumpy though. Hey Crypticon, how you doing today? Looking for a down up down move here possibly. You see immediately pop back up. I saw it was close to this band down here in the RSIs, which is why I did not take that trigger. And you see it's popped back up here by 4, so it definitely would have stopped me out if I had. Yep, right back up. Yeah, pushing back down. Big candles here, so I have to be careful. Yeah, he was here earlier. Uh, Crypticon, he was here about 8:45, but then disappeared shortly after. Taking a short here. Let's see if I'm stupid.
Yeah, I'm stupid. I was late. I should have taken it right at the end of that glass candle. I would have got my 2. Yep, stopped out. Ugh. Hate it when I don't follow my rules. 363 down today.
Bah! Humbug!
Yep, popped back up. So if I would gotten in right at the beginning of that candle, I would have got my 2. But I hesitated, and then I got stopped because I was an idiot. It's going to come right back down here. Now I'll stay out until it proves that it wants to move. Which should mean it will easily hit target on the next candle. Choppy. Oh, where are you heading, RJ? Ace Trades, paging Ace Trades. You're wanted in chat. Ace Trades, if you're listening, wanted in chat. RJ, we all want you. Not in that way. Oh, thank you, RJ. And there we go. There's the drop. So if I had taken this one short, 3-point stop would have worked. Easily would have got my 2, but I got spooked by getting screwed on that last one. Which honestly would have worked if I had gotten in right away and not hesitated.
They're continuing to push back down. That sounds fun. Popping back up, popping fresh dough. Gold's choppy, crude. Everything's gotten kind of slow and choppy right now. Nice, JC. Getting any of that action? There's ace. You gotta have an ace in the hole. So ace, go jump in a hole. Cool, JC. Green. Ace is a vomit expert. This is interesting. NQ. Oh no, wait. Why does that look different than there? Oh, no. Wait, why? Did TradingView already roll my contracts? Continuous contract in front? This NQ is different than this NQ. Anyway, on the December contract. This would have been a nice smooth move here. Let's see. ES. Yeah, I still have it on December. Much smoother than ES is showing right now. It's a perfect trigger candle. Look at this. This is the NQ. Beautiful trigger candle. And this is ES. Absolute garbage right now.
Pop back up on ES. Yes, above now, but obviously I did not take that trigger. I mean, technically this was the trigger, barely, so it would have worked. But choppy, choppy, choppy. The only problem with ape trades there, guys, is the fact that not beer money, sorry, Wall Street bets, they all call themselves apes. It's good, Frater, I like that. Market is sideways. Good question. Europe closes, I think it was 11:30 Eastern. I think that's when Europe closes. There we go. Thank you, Frater. I was close. Yeah. We are almost at the top of the hour. Another Fed speaker in 15 minutes. Good job, Ace. Ace always gets his 2. I should just have Ace trade for me and give him half the profit. Well, I thought we were friends, Ace. Big move up there, 5.5 points. Remember, we topped out here 40.47. We're up to 440.42. All right, let us know there watching. Yeah, I just saw that. I'm sure you will, Crypticon. Yep, bounced and down. So again, reminder, on Monday we have 2 streams, morning and evening. Only evening stream for now is Mondays. We'll do that the 5th, the 12th, and the 19th. Probably not the 26th. So I expect volume to be totally like crap that night on the 26th. So that could surprise me because I don't think the morning market's open on the 26th. Does anybody know? CME's schedules always confuse me. That was a big bounce off 43. Excuse me. Down to 34. So that was a 9-point move down. It was a trigger candle down, but I didn't like it, as you can see. And then, it would not have given me 2 points.
It might still give me 2 points, but so far it has not. Yep. Well, how about that? It would have given me 2 points. No, no more news. There is a Fed speaker in 10 minutes. NQ sideways. Ultra Bond. Try to get up to that level JC's looking for. Copper, of course, had our big move down with NFP. Popped up. Gold. Kind of side ace. There's a move back down on crude. Pretty big move there. The 28 tick candle, that big red candle. Boop, back up there on ES. Ooh, big rise, big rise. Back up to 40.43. That's where Ace said it's going to bounce off of a couple of times. See if it bounces. Got up to 40.43.25 and deck down. Back down to 40.41.
Looks like it wants to try again. I think I can, I think I can, I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. And it thinks it can't. It's getting a little wild and wacky at the moment. Push it back down. Right back up. Going back for 40.43. You hit 40.43 even there. And this push through up to 40.44. 40.45. Do I hear 40.46? 40.45 going once, 40.45 going twice. Oh, sorry. right, Ace? Absolutely agree. You have yourself a great weekend if you're leaving the chat. Thank you for being here, Ace. We always love having you. Hanging at 40.44. 44. In the year 44. NQ back up to 920. Oh, there's a burst. ES just burst. We're high here, 40.47. Let's see if it can get back above that. We're at 40.47. And it does. So ES has recovered 40 points from in the bottom. So it continues to try and move up here. Just hit 40.50. Strong move up here. Very strong. Up to 40.54. The very top of the NFP candle was 40.75. So it's about 20 points away. And Q making the same move. Much clearer trigger candle on it, though. Maybe I shouldn't say that. Maybe this other moving average is getting in my way. You know, well, it might be. It wasn't a bad trigger candle. It did pull back. Much choppier here than NQ, though. You can see NQ, well, it was a little choppy, but... Maybe a high here. Looks like a possible reversal candle. Check our Bollingers. Yeah. Back to green. See, like back here, this was, this looks like a reversal. I should have taken this here. I always wait for one red candle. Even if I would have waited for two red candles, would have been good. So we'll see. Might get a
red here. Up, popping back up green there, but being fought. Yep, right back up. So is this a slight pullback there? And we're trying to head higher. Can you take us higher? Oh, maybe not. Pushing down now. Topping wicks. Strong move down, 3.5. Hear the train a coming. Oh, we have a Fed speaker speaking. I forgot. He might be saying something the market don't like. I don't know. Let me go see if there's headlines. Nope, no headlines from the current Fed speaker. Sorry to hear that, JC. Little bounce here. Little bounce here. It's the little Saint Nick. Getting ready to send the trigger. I should have taken the trades off of both of these reversal candles. Both would have worked, obviously. I didn't. I hesitated, and once again, he who hesitates is lost in space. Got about 14 minutes left on the stream for the week. Would like to get another good trade. I mean, I don't think I'm going to get back to green, but I would like to get closer to green. A little less red.
Have a great weekend, JC. I'll see you Monday. And back up again. Just kind of watching here. Waiting and waiting and waiting. Seeing if we can get something here.
Just sitting on the dock of the bay. Gold grinding down. Crude grinding up, but pulling back now. Not much going on at the moment, though. Not much at all.
Oh, another move down. Trigger candle down. Strong candle, though. That's going to bounce. Wonder what just caused that. Wow. So 8 points down all of a sudden? 9? There's a bounce. Yeah, I was thinking that, but I'm not. The Financial Juice usually has headlines from the Fed speakers talking, and I don't see anything yet. And Q bopped down by 31 points there. Not much of a bounce there, not what I expected, honestly. Oh, there we go. That's more of. They got my. It would have got 2 points if. Oh, now there's the bounce. I thought about going long there. I You're doing great, Chris. Sorry to hear about your pain, though. Well, I can imagine. A little pop. Bigger pop. Beating right back down. We're taking a short. I like the setup there. Off that trigger candle. Up, down. Try it again up. Coming back down. Let's see if I'm wrong. Looks like I might be. Nope, it decided to pop up again. Thought it was going to push us down, but it looks like it's not. Have a great week, RJ. We'll see you in time for CPI and FOMC. Yep, stopped out. Darn it.
Bah! Humbug!
So horrible day today, P&L wise, which is fine. I mean, whenever I get an account, I expect that to happen. Try and keep it together for the month so I have something to trade on stream, though. Tag Scripticon. So ended up not breaking like I thought it might there. Did a little bounce up, down, up, and just continued to bounce up. Fed speaker is done speaking. He didn't make any headlines. Back up. Nice, Dakota. Good green trade. Big move up there on ES. Just trying to show how stupid I was for that short, I guess. Right back up. Wow, that was a really big move back up. And Q back up by 34 points there.
Now right back down. Excuse me. But back down, send a trigger, but right back up. Yeah. No. Usually I mute for that. Morning code. Welcome. Trading an Elite Trader funding account on screen. And then I also have a funded tick tick and a funded earn to trade that I don't trade on screen. So up, down, up there. Not sure exactly what prompted that big move. All right. UB looks like it wants to push up. Kind of a weird chop here. Chop till you drop. Nice move for Dakota there on Ultra Bond. Good job, Dakota. Yes, being ugly with a slight grind to the upside. Crude sideways, gold kind of sideways. Have a great weekend, Dakota. We'll see you Monday. Great trading this week as usual. Agriculture, corn fell at the open. Soybeans are kind of choppy. Stephen Lee, how have you been? I'm doing all right. Still been trading, Steven, or? Oh, there we go. There's the answer. You answered the question as I was asking it. Breaks can be good. This is ugly choppiness right now. So probably done trading, at least some for me at this point. Got about 15 minutes to go on the stream. It's a slow grind up, but I don't know. Really? It did for me. Try that. Hey, Hassan. You too. Have a good weekend. And one last reminder, folks, if you enjoyed today's stream, appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button.
Steven, are you RX code? No, that must be code. Code, I approved you for the the verification on the Discord. Okay, good. Okay, okay, good, excellent. I believe the monster move happened a few hours ago. Crypticon. It's been a slow grind back up since. Pullback. Strong pullback there. About 3.5. So that's the hourly chart on NASDAQ. But you can't tell where NFP happened. Do the monster move. The monster move. Ten minutes to go on the stream. Not really seeing anything I want to do. And remind your folks that Monday we have 2 streams, morning and evening. 7:30 in the morning, 7:45 in the evening.
Reminder that Apex sale, if anyone's interested, taking advantage of it, ends Monday night. Trade's new sale for the month is 40% off the TCP. Yes, still just. I mean, this is just an ugly looking chart. Ugh. There's a move. I mean, it's just bursting up out of nowhere here a couple of times. And I don't know. Definitely extreme volatility, I would say. See how it's trying to get back. It's gotten about, I don't know, by eyeing it, about 2/3, I would say, of that candle back. Candle back. Candle back. So how's everyone's P&Ls looking for the day or the week, however you want to say it? Good, George. Glad to hear it. Obviously, today was a very bad day, but we'll work on getting it back Monday. I took some stupid trades. Like, this one here was stupid. This one, yeah, I mean, it was kind of stupid, but it just didn't work out. I'll look at things. This one was stupid too. I'll look at things later and figure out what I did wrong. Hey, Travis. How you doing today? I've been occasionally stopping in on your streams and giving you a thumbs up, Travis. Also told a couple people if they don't like the way I trade, they can, or if they don't like the way I stream, they can go see you. Yep, you and Weenie Trades are the two that I check out. Now Weenie's not really streaming much anymore, but he is. Reminder. That's another good reminder. 2 weeks from today, Friday, December 16th, Weenie Trades will be doing a live interview with Daryl Martin from Apex Trader Funding. the founder and owner of Apex Trader Funding, talking trading and prop firm stuff and all that fun stuff. He'll be doing that live on his channel on his stream. So it'll be 11 a.m. right as this stream finishes. I'll head over there and support Greg on that. And what does that remind you of, Speed Racer? And we pushed down. That was a nice trigger candle there, actually. I should have taken that, but wasn't. At this point, not feeling it. Probably just gonna pack it in. Oh, thank you, Speed Race. Excuse me. Thank you, Speed Racer. Yeah, we got a good amount of likes today. Yesterday, likes were really down. But today's been excellent. Excellent day. I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, but I've been doing special Christmas themed thumbnails for the streams. I have a different looking thumbnail for each day in December. You're very welcome, Chris, and I'm glad you've come back after your injury, and good to see you here each day. So that would have been a good trigger, but obviously I didn't take it. Oh wow, cool. Yeah, man. So we have reached the 11 o'clock hour, 10 o'clock my time, and thus that means the day is over, the week is over. I want to thank everyone for being here today. Hope everyone's ending their week positively. Hope everyone has a great weekend. Be doing some holiday stuff or whatever. And we will see you back here on Monday morning, 7:30 Eastern. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.